Hi everyone, and welcome to week 6 of Writing 111. This week you should be polishing up your personal narrative. You finished the peer review by Saturday and submitted a summary of that to me. And now you have a couple days to do some last polishing before you turn it in by the 5th, which is Wednesday. So tomorrow in class you should bring your working draft to class. I'll have part of the class devoted to doing a polishing workshop where you're going to be looking really carefully at tiny parts of your essay and making sure it's all polished up to turn in for a grade. Along with that, you should notice that your personal narrative should include a reflection. So you can write that at the end of your essay, or you could choose to turn it in as a separate document. But I've asked you a specific set of questions. I've asked you to write about a page reflecting on what you like about your essay, if you had more time, what you might continue to do, and then thinking about the learning outcomes. If you have questions about any of this, make sure that you let me know. I will not grade your essay until you've also turned in a reflection with it. So I have also started to post information for our next module, which is rhetorical analysis, but I'm not going to say too much about that until the second half of class tomorrow. I have included some media this week that you probably won't want to start on until after you've submitted your essay, but I would like you to read both of these pieces. One is Rhetorical Analyses in the Real World, a Useful Thinking Tool, and the other one is Backpacks versus Briefcases, and we'll talk more about these in class next Tuesday. So make sure that you get these readings done before October 11th. And then I have more readings for you next week that will build on those, thinking about synthesis and analysis. And I also have a couple of short YouTube videos for you to watch next week that will prepare you for doing the large group workshop. So I've put up these activities and assignments that are due over the course of the next module. I do not want you to start in them early. You can go ahead and look through these, but do not start any of these activities. For example, don't start the large group workshop until we are in week 7. You can go ahead though and look at the assignments if you'd like. I might make some small changes to them. But you can see the media and the activities, and that this sequence will follow pretty similarly what we went through with the first essay. So we'll do a large group workshop together, and then you'll do a small analysis activity. We'll do a small group workshop together in week 8, and you'll summarize a source that you'll use for your essay. In week 9, you'll submit a draft and engage in peer review. And then the rhetorical analysis and reflection will be due in week 10. So I will look forward to seeing you all in class tomorrow. We're still focused on personal narrative and we're polishing. So bring your draft and be ready to work. See you tomorrow.